Now, good morning, children. I have finished with you all up to this C exercise C. Take the options, okay, and has and have. And now I'll be doing your D. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. She walks to school every day. Okay. So she. This is they are saying the verb you have to change. Complete the sentence with the correct form of she walk to school every day. She walk because this is she. It is singular. So this has to be simple present tense. This is so you have to put s. They come to the market twice a week. They come to the market twice a week. It can't be they comes. It comes হবে না, এটা plural, এটা যে এরকম আছে ওরকম সিঙ্গুলারই থাকবে কাম, ওকে। কাম will be come only because comes হবে না, because they are plural, so this has to be singular. This is singular, so this has to be plural. এটা singular তো ভার্বটা হবে plural, এটা plural তো ভার্বটা হবে singular. এটা আবার the cat, এটা হবে plural, cat is singular, ভার্বটা হবে plural. So dash milk, so drink will become drinks. s লাগিয়ে या s लगा के यहाँ पे लगाओ. she dash at the supermarket, she is our singular তো এটা হবে plural, তার মানে s লাগাতে হবে, works. The river is also singular, so it is not rivers, it is river, singular তো এটা भी plural. flows, s লাগিয়ে এখানে লিখো. I dash breakfast at 7 o'clock. I সব সময় প্লুরাল সঙ্গেই থাকবে. I eat. I eats হবে না. I eats breakfast, it can't be. I eat. Mahesh is singular, so plural, this verb will be plural. So reads. We is plural, so this no s, okay, singular. Swim, we swim at the pool on Sundays. The plants, this is plural, so no here singular, মানে এখানে s লাগবে না, যা আছে ওটা লিখো. grow, the plants grow. The cat, this is singular, so we need plural here, এখানে s লাগবে because singular. Did you understand? So sleeps. Now coming back to E, change these sentences into negative sentence. Okay, do not, does not, like that. Mahadev has a pen. Mahadev does not have a pen. We rode a bullock cart in the village. We is with one, does not. We many অনেকটা থাকলে do not. So we do not, the road will become ride a bullock cart in the village. We do not ride, okay. One minute, children. He knows, so he is one, so he does not know. Knows kete no, this will become then singular. He does not know how to swim. He does not knows how to swim হবে না, he does not, ঠিক है. It won't be knows, ওটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে, will become no, know, ठीक है. They play basketball in the afternoon. They do not play basketball in the afternoon. This is not place, so this is same, it will be. They only you have to add do not because they plural, so you have to add do not. Now Maya reads a book before going to bed. Now Maya is एकजन, so माया जब आएगी तो डज नॉट लगेगा क्योंकि एक है. और ये रीड्स क्या होगा बताए ना, एस ख़त्म हो जाएगा. माया डज नॉट रीड, এই যে প্লুরালে আছে ভার্বটা ওটা হয়ে যাবে সিঙ্গুলার, ओके. एस हटा देना इसमें, जब एक में होगा डू नॉट जब लगाओगे तो ये एस हटा देना. माया डू नॉट रीड अ बुक बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड. रोहित, सी नोज, एस पहले ही हटा दो, तो रोहित डू नॉट, रोहित एकजन डू नॉट नो हाउ टू रीड अ कंपास, ओके. The hens অনেকটা, তো Oh, sorry here. Maya does not read a book before going to bed. Okay. Rohit does not know how to read a compass. Does not. No. Hmm? The hens do not. Plural में do not. The hens do not run in the courtyard. Nothing you have to change, only do not you have to add for plural. She plays the guitar. She is one. So she does not plays टा हो जाए काट दो s और लिखो play the guitar. Did you all understand? Now coming back to F. Change these sentences in the questions using do or does. They play football in the weekends. तो दे मीन्स डू दे प्ले फुटबॉल इन द वीकेंड डू दे डू लिखे ए देटा स्मॉल लेटर लिखे पूरोटा लिखे ठीक है ही डज फॉर दे डू फॉर ही सिंगुलर सो यू आर गोइंग टू पुट डज okay does and then he then this is capital letter this will become small letter because our starting letter you wrote capital so this becomes small. So does he enjoy s again remove it off does he enjoy watching cricket and put a question mark does he enjoy watching ching watching cricket 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 and put a question mark. They live in Bhopal so they is plural he is singular so they do for they you'll write do they live in Bhopal question mark ওখানে কোনো s space কিচ্ছু না only you have to write do and you have to copy this down here with small letter okay she likes now here she माने one so likes आगे ही s टा केटे दो does she like to draw portraits question mark the birds অনেকটা do the birds অনেকটা মানে do the birds build a nest every summer put a no s and all that in plural কিচ্ছু না শুধু do the birds okay you only have to add do. Neha and Raj study in the same school so again Neha and Raj দুজন तो write do नेहा एंड राज स्टडी इन द सेम स्कूल लेकिन छोटा लेटर नहीं आएगा क्योंकि ये नेहा और राज दोनों नाम है किसी का. रीतू लाइक्स टू ईट एप्पल्स अब रीतू है सिंगुलर तो यहाँ पे पहले एस काट देना ठीक है. डज रीतू लाइक टू ईट एप्पल एक सिंगुलर रहने से ये सिंगुलर है तो डस ओके प्लूरल है तो do okay he sells balloon at the fair he একজন তো এসটা আগে সরিয়ে দো এখান থেকে তো does he sell balloons at the fair question mark. Did you all understand? It's a very very easy chapter. You all finish it okay and show it to your teacher. Thank you.